Imagine building a modern security system for your house, turning it on, and then never checking if the cameras actually work. That is exactly what happens when companies launch a fraud control management system but fail to maintain it. Under the ISO 37003 standard, treating fraud prevention as a one-time project is a massive liability. The framework requires top management to formally review their fraud controls at planned intervals. Leaders must actively analyze performance data, address non-conformities, and adapt to changing risks. Without these genuine, ongoing reviews, a certified system will quietly drift out of conformance, becoming a paper shield useless against real threats. This is where independent verification steps in. Speeki certifies whether these vital management reviews are genuinely happening. They do not conduct the review for the company. Instead, they verify the practice itself, ensuring that leadership is doing the necessary work. Because in the fight against fraud, a defense system is only as strong as the leaders who actively maintain it.